Scrambled eggs, the Mexican way. Bold, healthy, and unbeatable. Crack the eggs into a bowl. Add salt, pepper, and kefir. Beat with a fork. Heat a nonstick pan over medium-high heat and add olive oil. Add green onion, jalapeno, and tomato. Sauté for 2 minutes. Pour the eggs into the pan with the vegetables. Let cook for about 2 minutes until slightly set. Then gently stir and fold until fully cooked. In a separate bowl, mix chopped tomato, red onion, and cilantro. Season with salt and pepper. Set aside. Assemble the bowls with scrambled eggs, black beans, pico de gallo, and avocado. Garnish with cilantro, lime slices, jalapeno, and black pepper.